Alrighty, so first mod, as you can see, the daytime running lights of the Canyon are white. Okay, so these are white. What we're going to do is we're going to do a little plug and play action, and we're going to turn those yellow. So we're going to override to yellow. Alright, so this is what we bought. These are the override, basically, harnesses that are going to do this action. And the product is by Venom. And we did buy these from Colorado and Canyon enthusiasts. You can buy them directly from Venom. I'll put links in the description to both. But yeah, we bought these, so should be relatively quick plug and play action. So basically, we are going to have to unplug the light. Alright, so we have the headlight unplugged. So basically we're just going to marry this up with this, and then we're going to plug this back in, and then it should be good. So that's what we're going to do. Alright, so we have this connected. Now we're just going to plug this sucker in at the back of the headlight. We'll plug this one in. Alright, we have that plugged in, and look at that. So now you see we have daytime running light is yellow, and then the stock one over here is still white. One more side to do, and then we're golden. And there you have it. That was a fast, less than 5-minute install, plug and play from Venom, and couldn't be happier. So gives a little bit more customized look to the Canyon. So check the description, like I said, for links. Super easy install, not very expensive either, but I think it looks great. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like. If you have any questions or comments, throw them down in that. Other than that, we'll get you on the flip side, and you'll see some more installs over time here. Thanks for watching.